It's early morning. You wake up, stretch, grab your coffee, open your laptop, and instantly regret it. Because before your first sip is even halfway down your throat, boom, emails everywhere, notifications popping up like fireworks, meetings you forgot about, tasks you definitely don't want to do, deadlines that magically multiplied overnight, and that one friend who always texts, "Bro, one quick question," even though it's never quick in the history of humanity. And right in the middle of this chaos, you keep hearing people online talk about this mysterious thing called AI agents. Apparently, they can plan your tasks, automate your life, take actions, use tools, solve problems, and maybe even do the stuff you've been procrastinating for weeks. So naturally you think, okay, but how does that help me? Why is every tech dude acting like AI agents are the second coming? And why does this all sound way more complicated than I want to deal with at 8 a.m.? If that sounds like your life, congratulations. You are officially a citizen of overwhelmed land, no passport required. But here's the good news. Today, I'm going to break down AI agents in the simplest, most practical, most human way possible. No jargon, no PhD required, no 400-slide PowerPoint, just clarity you can actually use. Let's start with the truth. Your biggest challenge isn't time. It isn't energy. It isn't motivation. It isn't even discipline. Your challenge is that you're trying to make your human brain do things it was never designed to do. Humans are terrible at repetitive tasks, terrible at remembering multiple deadlines, terrible at breaking down complex workflows, terrible at staying consistent, and extremely terrible at doing boring things without slipping into a YouTube rabbit hole. Meanwhile, AI agents are literally built for exactly those tasks. Give them a goal, and they break it into steps, analyze the situation, gather the information, use tools or apps, take actions, check their results, and repeat the loop until the job is done. All the things you wish you had done last Thursday. That's the gap. And that's why AI agents matter. You're not trying to replace your intelligence. You're trying to stop using your brain as a task automation machine. Let's break this down into the simplest definition you'll ever hear. An AI agent is just a system with three parts. Part 1, the brain. This is the large language model, the LLM. It's the reasoning engine. It understands your goal. It plans steps. It decides what needs to happen. Think of it like the strategist. Part 2, the hands. These are the tools, a PIS, apps, functions, plugins, whatever the agent can use to actually take action. This is what lets it send emails, move files, analyze data, summarize documents, scrape information, generate reports, or even talk to other systems. Part 3, the loop. This is the feedback cycle. The agent checks its own work, asks, "Did this move me closer to the goal?" and adjusts the plan if needed. That's it. Brain, hands, loop. No mystery, no magic. Just a system that thinks, acts, and self-corrects. Imagine an intern that never sleeps, never gets tired, never complains, and never asks for a raise. That's what an AI agent is. Let's make this even more real. Example 1, email management. An agent can read your inbox, classify emails, draft replies, flag important ones, schedule actions, and clean up the mess, all automatically. Example 2, research assistant. You give it a topic. It gathers sources, summarizes them, compares them, extracts insights, builds notes, and creates a report. Example 3, document automation. Upload 20 files. Ask it to extract names, dates, numbers, errors, whatever you need, and turn it into a clean spreadsheet. Example 4, personal productivity. Give it tasks. It creates structured workflows, reminders, follow-ups, checklists, and sends alerts when something needs your attention. Notice a pattern? The agent is doing the heavy lifting. You're just supervising at a high level. You do not need coding. You do not need advanced tools. You do not need a tech background. Here's the simplest way to start. Step 1. Choose one, messy or repetitive area of your life. Email, meetings, document management, weekly reports, research. Pick just one. Step 2. Turn it into a clear goal. Agents hate vague instructions. Instead of, help me with emails, say, organize my inbox into categories and draft replies for anything marked urgent. Step 3. Use a tool that supports Actions ChatGPT with tools or any platform that allows agent actions, not just chat. Step 4. Let it run. Do not micromanage it. Let the agent try. Give corrections if needed. This is how the loop improves. Step 5. Iterate. Your first attempt won't be perfect. Neither was your first coffee. You still drink it. Agents get better the more you guide them. Let's do something simple. Think of one task you dread every week. Just one. Maybe weekly status updates, expense reports, cleaning your inbox, scanning documents, summarizing meetings, researching something for work. Got it? Now ask an AI tool. Break this task into steps and propose how an AI agent could automate it. The moment you see the breakdown, you'll realize how much mental energy you've been wasting on things a machine can do for you. Here's what I want you to take away from this video. AI agents are not about being a tech genius. They're not about replacing your job. They're not about keeping up with hype. They're about this single idea. You deserve to stop doing everything manually. Your brain was made for creativity, strategy, relationships, ideas, not for sorting emails at midnight. AI agents let you reclaim your time, your attention, and your mental space. You don't need to become an AI expert. Just become the version of yourself who says, I can use AI to make my life easier. And that version is much closer than you think. If you found this helpful, make sure you subscribe to Komarasamy.AITech so you don't miss future deep dives on AI automation, agent workflows, and practical tools that actually make your life smoother. And comment below. What AI agent topic do you want me to cover next? Multi-agent systems? Workflow automation? Career transformations? I read every comment, and I want to make videos that genuinely help you. Thanks for watching, and welcome to the future of getting things done.